if someone is having B2 level of German proficiency, the application for Chanzenkarte will be starting from 1st of June 2024.
If there any sort of specific previous education required
In Chanzenkarte, we have maximum 8 points.
in order to apply for this Chanzenkarte?
He or she is also eligible to apply for this opportunity card.
Hello friends, welcome to Meridian Overseas. Friends, today's session will going to be one of the special session because we're going to tell you some of the unique opportunities in Europe. So what if you will be getting an opportunity where you can be there in Europe and you will get an opportunity to search job, and also you'll be able to do part-time jobs over there. So the opportunity is job seeker visa, and in Germany this job seeker visa is specifically known as Chanzenkarte. So previously also Germany provide this kind of visa opportunity which was known as job seeker visa, but there they was having some sort of requirements that needs to be fulfilled, and one of the major requirements was 5 years work experience. So if any of the candidate was not having this 5 years of work experience, was not able to apply that job seeker visa. But now Germany recently launched this new visa opportunity that is solely a point based system. Hope you already aware about the opportunity, same kind of opportunity provided by the Canada as well, that is a point based PR opportunity. So in this point based PR opportunity, candidates needs to fulfill certain criteria. Again, that particular criteria he or she will be getting some points. Okay. And the candidate requires at least a minimum number of points in order to get this opportunity or in order to avail this opportunity. So same kind of opportunity here candidate will have in Chanzenkarte. Chanzenkarte obviously a unique opportunity provided by the Germany, where application will going to be open soon. In this kind of opportunity, candidate can be there in Germany in order to search for a job. Isn't interested?
Yes, it is very interesting.
Yeah, and side by side I would like to tell you, once the candidate will be there in Germany and while he or she will be searching for a job, he'll be also able to do part-time jobs for 20 hours in a week. And through that particular part-time job, he or she will be able to earn up to 1,000 euros in a month, which is around 90,000 in INR.
Yeah, that is great.
So now I would like to ask you that could you please highlight some of the benefits or procedure how candidate can avail this opportunity, and what will be the lucrative benefits or opportunities that candidate will be getting during this Chanzenkarte?
Yeah, sure, sir. I will let you know about the requirements and the benefits of this Chanzenkarte. So firstly, the application for Chanzenkarte will be starting from 1st of June 2024.
Okay.
And student, like the person who is going to apply for the Chanzenkarte, will be getting the visa for duration of 1 year. And in Chanzenkarte, we have maximum 8 points, and a candidate who wants to apply for the Chanzenkarte need to get 6 points out of 8 points.
Okay.
Yeah, if I talk about the benefits, so the benefits will be like, firstly, it is for non-European citizens. Yeah.
Okay.
So like
only candidates will not be there in Europe or would not be having any European citizenship can only apply for this opportunity.
yeah, if a person is like non-European citizen, so the person is eligible to apply for Chanzenkarte. So like here we have less competition.
Great.
And the second thing is like previously if someone wants to apply for a job seeker visa, so he or she needs to show like 5 years of working experience. But here in Chanzenkarte, if someone is having 3 years of work experience, then the person is eligible to apply for the Chanzenkarte. Also, if a person wants to do part-time job on this Chanzenkarte visa, so he or she can do part-time job as well. That is for 20 hours per week, and he can earn approximately 90,000 in Indian currency, which is approximately 900 to 1,000 euros.
Okay. And side by side, I just want to ask if there any sort of specific previous education required in order to apply for this Chanson Kate?
Yeah, there are certain requirements which a person who is going to apply for Chanson Kate needs to follow. So, sir, if someone is having a degree from like nursing or if someone is having a professional degree or a technical degree, then that person is also able to apply for this Chanson Kate opportunity. And if we talk about the requirements for the same, so for this, like at least B1 level of B2 level of English proficiency or A1 level of German language proficiency is required.
Okay. If candidate have any of the like either German proficiency of A1 level or either B2 level proficiency of English language, can apply into it?
Yes. The person, if someone is having B2 level of German proficiency, he or she can also apply for this opportunity card.
Okay.
And like the person who is going to apply for this Chanson Kate either needs to open a blog account, which is for 11,208 euros, or if someone is having a work contract from the employer, he or she is also eligible to apply for this opportunity card.
Okay.
Yeah, and the certificates which are accepted for English proficiency or for German proficiencies are TestDef, Goethe, IELTS and TOEFL.
Okay. So friends, as Ilma told us, if you have a professional background, like if you've gone through with a background like nursing, doctor, engineer, then definitely your chances of getting this Chanson Kate will be high. And side by side, if you do not have any German proficiency also, but you need to prove at least B2 level of English proficiency, then also you can apply for this opportunity. So friends, I would like to tell you and like to emphasize one of the most important thing, which is this is a lottery based system. So as many as points you'll be able to get, definitely your chances of getting this opportunity card will be high. So you need to make your profile as strong as possible. And also friends, this here you will get an opportunity where you can bring your spouse as well with you. And also you will be getting extra point when you apply for your spouse. But the thing is, your spouse also needs to be fulfill all these eligibility criteria which is necessary for you as well.
Yeah, that's very great.
So friends, what are you waiting for? If you want to enroll into this unique opportunity, then you can reach to us, or either you can visit any of our branch office where you will be getting exact details. Our expert counselor will be there to help you in this.